What's going on, traders? In this video, I'm going to share how you can actually withdraw your live profits from TradeLocker into your crypto wallet, okay? I use GATESFX, so I'm going to use my broker to show you how to withdraw. GATESFX, they have a 2-hour guarantee, and that's why I love them. So if you go to GATESFX and log in, basically you go to your withdrawal funds. So click on withdrawal funds. And then you're gonna see basically a wallet with money in it, right? So I have about $2,300. And so I'm gonna go ahead and select my crypto wallet. I have a couple of them, so I'm gonna choose the first one right here. And then I simply just hit continue, okay? Now, I'm just gonna put in a specific number. So let's just do $1,000 just to make it easy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and continue. So once I hit continue and then confirm, it's gonna go ahead and say, we have received your We have received your withdrawal request, and then it should pop up right here, okay? So now I'm gonna get basically a confirmation. So right here, you're gonna see withdrawal has been placed, okay? And I should get approved like anytime now. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and yeah, we'll just wait. All right, so that was super quick. What I'm gonna show you is the approval. So I'm not sure if you can see it super clear, but here is the approval. Let me just screen share it. So you can see right here, it says your withdrawal has been approved. It is currently 4:57 p.m. So if you look at my clock, 4:57 p.m. And I also got a notification on my Bitcoin. So you see how it says your deposit of this has been received. So let's go to Bitcoin really quick. And oh, it's still on the blockchain, but I did get a confirmation on my Cash App. So now I'm just waiting for the blockchain to do its thing, and then I should have the money there. All right, so I just got another notification on my phone. You can see right here that I have $965. So I think Bitcoin dropped a little bit, but as you can see, I have $965. And yeah, now I can spend some money at the movies. Let's get it. So that's about it. Just wanted to show you how to withdraw money from your broker account to your crypto account, okay? It's really simple. I think it was what, 4:37 or something like that. So literally 20 minutes for me to make a withdrawal and receive my money. Not bad. They have a 2-hour guarantee. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Sometimes it's like within 5 to 10 minutes. So just really depends on the blockchain and stuff like that. But that's just another reason why I like Gates. So, you know, if you're looking to trade on TradeLocker, TradeLocker is a really good platform. I'll have basically a tutorial right here if you want to learn how to trade on TradeLocker. And if you're just looking for a broker that is just reliable and you know they have really good withdrawals, GATESFX, they have 100% deposit bonuses going on right now. So if you deposit $500, they're gonna credit you another $500, doubling your account. So yeah, so that's it. Just wanted to show you how to make a withdrawal from your live account into your crypto wallet. Peace.